Hey Holly, have you had a chance to check out the new Ontario CLRI Diversity and Inclusion digital calendar yet? Navigating it is super easy too.
It really is. I see that you can filter by event type to view all kinds of religious and spiritual days of significance. Cultural celebrations. Awareness and health promotion days. The resource can also help long-term care homes connect with events in their larger community.
Yep. Also, you can click on an event and see a quick summary about it, and you can also click on more information to learn even more. You can even add events to your calendar. All you need to do is click on the event and select Add to Calendar.
Is there a way for me to easily share these events with my friends, family, and community?
Of course! All you need to do is select the event that you want to share and scroll to the share options to select copy link or send via email.
Can I look ahead at other months?
Absolutely! Just click on the word dates and click on the range you want to see. For example, in February, just click on February 1st and February 28th, then click Apply, and you will see all the dates for the month.
I see there are printable calendars available as well. The Edi Planning Calendar can really help team members see what is coming up to help plan and honor all of these events, and they can go to the digital calendar to learn even more. The Edi Bulletin Board calendar would be great to hang up in a recreation space or for residents to hang in their room. The Ontario CLRI Diversity and Inclusion calendars are so helpful and such a great tool for learning. I can't wait for everyone to visit the website to help plan their year.